know I'm a wee bit late with doing this collection from Colourpop because it has been out for, I think maybe it was even out before their Stranger Things collection and obviously the Bratz collection, but I thought I would still do a review and tutorial on it anyway, and it's of course the After Hours collection. I have to say though, this is probably one of the nicest collections I think they've done in quite a long time, mainly because it's all very wearable. It's very suitable for this time of year and there's not a lot of products within the collection, so it's not overwhelming. So I'm going to obviously show you what's in the whole collection first, and then we will get into, I'll maybe do some swatches and stuff as well, and then we'll get into the tutorial. 3 shadow sticks. I love these shadow sticks from Colourpop, and I actually don't usually grab for them that often with just want to apply them all over the lid and job's a good one, that's that. But these come in really handy for bases. Bases if you're wanting to go on top with a shimmer shadow or a pressed glitter or a loose shadow or a loose glitter or pigment. Because they're like a liquid cream, they obviously have a bit of tag, a bit of stick, so it makes the shadows just grip and stick better. They're super creamy, and the finishes of them are beautiful as well. So this one here is out at midnight, and it is a metallic, so it just means that it has a really nice metallic shift. Like, these are absolutely stunning. This is the one I'm actually wearing today. This one is Next Spot, and it's also a metallic. The 2 previous tutorials I think I've done, I've actually been using this, and I've been using this one off camera as well. The past couple of nights I've actually been out, like Saturday night just passed there, I used this, and Friday night past I used this as well, and this palette. So I've been loving it. I've been really enjoying this collection, like off camera, you know. But this is just scrummy. Most beautiful, like mauve purple. But this is gorgeous, not only on its own, but as a base for the shimmer shadows within the palette. And then this one is in the shade On My Way, I'm guessing that is, and this is a matte. I don't actually think I would ever get my wear out of this. It's still nice. You could even just use this as a eyeliner for the waterline or on the inner corner to add a wee bit of pop. And the cream blushes. These are freaking stunning. If you've been watching my tutorials over the past month, you've actually seen me using these repeatedly because they're absolutely gorgeous. Like, these colours are beautiful. This one is in the shade A-Lister. I have to like really swatch these because I've been using them. They're quite dirty, so you can see like my foundation or like my makeup brush around the outer corners. So like that's like the true colour in the middle. But this one has been my favourite and my most go-to and worn colour, which is obviously, these are pretty sheer. I don't want to say sheer because that sounds bad, but it's quite versatile in terms of payoff. Like, you can obviously have a nice wee natural flush of colour, and you can obviously build it up as well. But that's the shade A-Lister, and then obviously, but these colours are just, they're so complimentary. I'm wearing obviously at the minute, and it's gorgeous. So these are the Power Pout lipsticks, and there's 3 in the collection. So this colour here is Party Hour. And this one is beautiful. I feel like if you have a really dark skin tone, this would be beautiful on you, or even on my skin tone or lighter for this time of year. Just waiting for my camera to stop focusing on me. Do I really have to do this? YouTuber! And then this one is, oh, I forgot the name. Crush on Me. Last one, this is the one I have on at the minute, is Nights Like This. That's the colour there. These are a soft, like natural matte finish on the lips as well. Lastly, we have the eyeshadow palette. But I love how wearable this is, and I love the fact that it's more like leaning towards cool tones, because you have like your cool toned nude shades with a wee hint of mauve in there, whilst still having your smoky mauve shades, rich burgundies. You have a really nice black there as well to obviously deepen up and smoke. Obviously your mixture of finishes as well. There's a couple of matte shades with a sparkle, which is one of these, this one here, and is there another one somewhere? I think that's maybe just the one, but this one here, this has been a go-to recently for me. It's really pretty, and especially on top of one of these. it kind of, this makes these kind of look more enhanced in terms of like the shimmer payoff. And then obviously your normal, I don't want to say boring, but just like your normal pearlescent, you know, like metallic finishes. Do you know what? They are beautiful. They are so, so pretty, and especially this shade here. That's obviously why I swatched it. And then what I love is the fact that you have your pressed glitters in here as well. We have quite a few. This one, and this one. The three of these are the three that I'm actually using today. So I'm going to start with the shade Whiskey. So I'm just popping this within the crease. The shade's actually darker than I thought it was going to be. Okay, it's actually looking black on my eyes, but in the pan it looks like a really nice dark cool tone brown. But it's looking black on my eyes. It doesn't matter anyway, because I'm just going to be putting a shimmer all over the lid. I'm absolutely dying to use that shade Slink. Is it Silky Dress or Slinky? Slinky Dress. Slinky Dress. I think I'm just going to put that all over the lid, so I'm still wanting a wee bit of something underneath. Oh, by the way, please excuse this situation here. This is an empty picture frame, obviously, as you can see. But it fell off the wall. This is my Cricut. Ignore it. Taking some more of that Whiskey shade just to blend that out. So has anybody got any plans for Halloween? What he's doing? I honestly did not know. It's like I knew Halloween was coming up, but I didn't realise it was coming up so quick. If you know, basically every year I like to do, I got this idea of Graveyard Girl, you know, bunny. But basically since I moved into this house, every year I like to make up trick-or-treat bags for the kids around my area. And I've done it the past 2 or 3 years, but I think I'm going to get egged this time. I'm really convinced that my house is going to get egged because I'm doing nothing this year. Do you know what? Realistically, could I go out tonight and just get everything? Yeah. But I don't think we're going to do anything for Halloween this year. It's so funny as well, you know, because last year, me and Kyle basically skipped Christmas. Like we didn't put up any Christmas decorations, we didn't put up our tree, nothing. But Halloween, we went all out for Halloween. Whereas this year, we're completely skipping Halloween and we're taking it to the extreme for Christmas this year. I'm putting up 2 Christmas trees. I have a Christmas decoration that's already up. Am I psycho? Maybe. But I was actually in the range, was it last week? And of course the range has their Christmas stuff out. So I ended up buying a few things. And do you know what? To save me just putting them up in the attic, to have to bring them down in the next couple of months, I thought I'd put them up and just like put them out. But I swear, some year we will find the balance of everything, because so far since we've moved into this house, it's been like one or the other. Out at midnight, and it's also a metallic finish. So these are of course 2 metallic finishes, and then the lightest one is a matte. So I'm just going to take a wee bit of this one. If you're somebody that doesn't necessarily like to use stick cream eyeshadows like this, you might want to give these ones a go from Colourpop and just give them a chance, because I never reach for these types of eyeshadows, like cream eyeshadow sticks, unless I'm going to be using a shimmer or a glitter on top. They are fantastic to use as a base, because you see, if I was just bringing this black eyeshadow onto my lid and then going in with one of these pressed glitters, this one here, because this is what I'm going to use, I feel like because of the matte, we kind of create a bit of a barrier to the shimmer that I'm then putting on, and you just are not going to get the best payoff. You're not going to get the benefits of the shimmer come through, because it has that matte base that you're applying on top of, whereas you see just and especially a metallic finish stick eyeshadow, because it already has that wee bit of glitter in it, but because this is obviously a cream, it's going to have a wee bit of stick, a wee bit of tack, a wee bit of creaminess for the shimmer shadow to stick to. You know, like even that type of eye makeup look is just nice on its own. Of course, if the crease was a bit more perfected. Holy fuck. I was trying to get that sentence out so quick because I just felt that sneeze brewing. So just with the same brush, I'm going to go into Slinky Dress. I keep on one. My brain just wants to say silky. Whoa, okay. I think also because I have a black base laid down, it's also given off a different shift to the glitter, and that's kind of what I'm wanting. Yeah, that's nice. So I'm now going to use my finger to apply this, and mainly just using my finger to give everything just a wee blend just at that crease. This is actually really disappointing. I was expecting this to look so much nicer. It's not popping the way I was hoping, so I'm going to take this Zoeva Smoky Detail brush, and I'm also going to go into Slinky Dress and just focus this just right in this area here. I love applying a shimmer just in this wee nook, whatever way it catches the light. Oh, you see? I think we'll apply another shimmer maybe on top. Like, I'm needing something else. Try and see what glitter is going to be nicer on top of one another. I'm going to take Slinky Dress and swatch that. Look how beautiful and multi-tonal that is. It's crazy stunning actually. I think it's just because I have applied a dark base underneath it. That's why it's looking a wee bit muted maybe. And then I'm going to pack on top of that Till Dawn. So, oh, where is it? This shade here. You see how these look in person is mental. And then taking another bit of Slinky Dress and Let's Party, which is the pale one at the top. And then, oh! Okay. So I think we'll go with Let's Party. So just a wee bit on my finger. I might actually tap some of that off. And then just using my finger to drag and blend that glitter out. That's looking mental. My lids are just looking nearly extraterrestrial. Is that the right word? And for the two cream blushes, I think I'm going to use this one, the shade obviously, because I think it'll go nicely with the lip combo. But this colour especially, both of them actually, but especially this colour, I feel like it's such a stunning colour for this time of year, you know, like winter and fall. Okay, and now for lips, and I'm gonna be picky about the packaging. I don't know whether this is the packaging that Colourpop has their lipsticks in now, but I hate this packaging. I don't know what it is. I think it's because it's like that matte feel, but like this, no. And I feel like it's also just plasticky and cheap looking. This is my opinion, of course. I don't like that colour either. It's just, it's such a downgrade compared to their previous lipstick packaging. Was this beautiful kind of like champagne rose gold component with the stars, the Colourpop logo, and then at the bottom it's so much easier to read not only the shade, because the shade at the bottom matches the lipstick, but also it's easier to read the shade, whereas I'm like, but this is just like luxury nearly. And that colour is beautiful as well. In case you're interested, this is in the shade 21 Questions. But you know what I mean? Serious downgrade. Was there a really tight budget there, Colourpop? These smell really good actually. This is from the, I think it's the Yasmin collection. The Bratz lip kit. Oh yeah, that's right. I don't think my camera's making that noise anymore. It sounded really like freaky. The shade I'm taking is Nights Like This. Instantly love that formula. It's like a really nice creamy matte. So I'm going to do a wee bit more on the eyes, just in the inner corner to add a wee bit of a pop. So I'm going to go into Let's Party. Do you think I maybe need glasses? Just a heavily pressing that just on the inner corner, dragging it down a wee bit, just in at the tear duct there. So of course I will list down below the entire collection for you, and do let me know if you want me. Colourpop are really like bumping out the collections at the minute. Like, it's not even Halloween yet, and I also got the Christmas collection. I was honestly so excited to get this collection, I'm not gonna lie, because as soon as I seen on their Instagram, I think it was, the swatches of the palette, a bit of me. But do let me know, do you want me to wait a wee while or do you want it ASAP? Because I know it is, has it launched yet? Like, can you buy it yet? I don't know. But anyway, but I have to say I will probably more than likely be doing quite a few tutorials with the palette, because it's absolutely stunning. The shimmer shades in here are beautiful. So do let me know, would you want a tutorial and collection review soon, or should I wait until at least Halloween's over? But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.